Software Spring. Presents. How to use NPV to assess viability of projects in Google Sheets. Hi folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial, which gives the steps to use the NPV function to assess viability of projects. Let's begin with an intro to NPV. NPV stands for Net Present Value. NPV equals sum of present values of cash flows minus investment value. NPV helps assess viability of projects. A positive NPV means project is viable. A negative NPV means project is not viable. Okay, here's the syntax of the NPV function formula. Discount is the discount rate. Cash flow 1 can be, for example, the future cash flow in period 1, or future cash flows over more than one period. Cash flow 2 and others are optional. Going forward, let's calculate the NPV to assess the viability of two projects, Project A and Project B. Both the projects have the same initial investment and discount rate. These are the expected future cash flows from the two projects. Alright, we are all set to type the NPV function formula to calculate the NPV of Project A. First, type the equal to symbol, N, P, and select NPV. For discount rate, click this cell, and type comma. For cash flow 1, select this range. Type the closing parenthesis. Subtract the initial project investment. The final formula is. Press enter. There you go. The positive NPV suggests that Project A is viable. Repeat the steps to calculate the NPV for Project B. The final formula is. Press enter. Alright, the negative NPV suggests that Project B is not viable. Quick review. NPV stands for Net Present Value. NPV helps in assessing the viability of projects. The NPV function formula is. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.